Hi guys, I'm Rohan. I'm first presenter of industry. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and fellow party in the ever-evolving landscape of defense of military technology, only thing remain constant the unwavering commitment to protect and empower our armed force. Today, I'm thrilled to stand before you, gathering a visionaries and innovators to unveil protect that optimizes and spread of project and implementing.
Mohanarangam. I'm second presenter of this team. Today we are gathered here to address a prestige issue that has listed together the history of warfare. The safety and well-being of our soldiers on the battle or armed force face challenge that demand innovation solution. And this cooperation that the army of the future urges us to confront this challenge hand-on.
Hi guys, I am Devika Sigamani Masinamani. I am 10th presenter of this team. The first step was performed at Mindz is that the invisibility clock allows our soldiers to move undetected through a tight environment by trending light around them might renders them nearly invisible to the naked eye and most surveillance technologies. This new form that grants our troops the element observe and engage the enemy with unparalleled precision.
We live reads presentation or may identify with a challenge. That's us not merely to better of the future, but active participation in shaping in that her support and champion innovation that strengthen our military and by estimation our nation.